This 2019 K-Z Sportsmen La 250th is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 28 feet 4 inches in length and features TV, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, LP detector, air conditioning, oven, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2019 K-Z Sportsmen La 250th is 5,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.